Hey, it's Mark with the Perfect Paver Company here in the Boca Raton area, and I wanted to discuss the question, should I seal my newly installed pavers or should I seal my pavers that were just installed? So this is a customer who just recently had these pavers installed maybe 6 months ago. They probably could have had us here a little bit sooner, but they're doing the right thing, and that's getting them sealed early. Now, a lot of people think that sealing pavers is more of an aesthetic improvement. It's kind of like cars, for example. The main purpose of a car is for transportation. The beauty of the car, how you look in the car, the image, that's secondary. When it comes to sealing pavers, most people think that sealing them is just for aesthetics. The aesthetics is the secondary reason why you seal it. The most important reason you want to seal your pavers when they're freshly installed is to protect them, protect the color, protect the surface, keep it from deteriorating. So what happens as soon as you install the pavers, the dyes and the pigments that give the paver the color start deteriorating by the sun's UV rays. That sun's hitting it, and especially here in South Florida, you're really going to lose your color quick. So the sealer that we apply on pavers when they're new is it's a sealer that acts like sunblock to the paver. So it's going to go in, it's going to protect that sun from soaking out the color. What it's also going to do is it's going to put a nice coat of protection on the paver that prevents the rain, the acid in the rain, and the impeding effect of the rain from deteriorating the surface. So very important to seal your pavers right away. Now we suggest maybe waiting 30 to 60 days, let the rain really hit it, wash off the construction debris, let that stone kind of sit and breathe a little bit, but at that 60-day point, it's ready to be sealed. So what we're going to do today is we're going to be doing a light clean on this project. You can already see they're starting to get some mold growth already occurring in the joints. So we're going to be steam cleaning it. We're going to be getting all of that out. We use steam because steam is actually effective at killing mold. Bleach does not kill mold. Chlorine does not kill mold. All those two things do is remove the leaf from the microscopic mold spore and leaves the spore still intact to grow back. So the only effective way to kill the spore is with high heat, which is why we steam clean, or with acid. And actually when we finish the project, we're gonna be giving you some aftercare instructions on how to maintain your paver with the use of a special high acidity level white vinegar. So that's that, but it's extremely important. Seal your pavers right away. Seal it for the right reasons. It's a bonus. It's going to look enhanced when we're done, assuming you go with our wet look sealer. And in fact, a lot of people choose not to seal their pavers because they don't want them to look wet. They don't want them to look glossy. That's okay too. You still need to protect them. We can use a natural look sealer and it's going to look just the way it looks, but it's going to be protected. Your investment's going to be protected, and they're going to stay looking great for a long time. So again, Mark with Perfect Paver Company, thanks.